Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're done cooking. We're done. We're gonna put this on the plate. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 red snappers, 1 trout, 2 nice portobello huge mushrooms, and 1 beautiful eggplant. We're gonna pick it up and cut it in bread loaves and salt the eggplant and cook it and eat it. And look at these snappers. They're done. They're done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, so nice. So nice. Oh, stuck a little bit. Oh. Boom. Done. Second snapper. Second snapper. Oh. Third snapper. Show the snapper. Oh. Wow. Wow. Beautiful snappers. Beautiful snappers. Looking so amazing and crunch. And look at this trout. See? We're gonna flip for you, flip for you. Look. Flip the trout, flip the trout. Oh. Wow, cooked. Cooked good. And then we got mushrooms. Mushrooms. See? Beautiful. Beautiful mushrooms. Grilled on George Foreman grill. Wow. And next, the nice eggplant. Boom. Oh wow. Oh wow, and snappers over here, snappers. Can turn off the phone because the food we're ready to eat. I'm hungry. I haven't ate anything but Trader Joe's chocolates all day. Very nice. We love cooking and we do other videos. Please check out my channel. Thank you so much. See, mushrooms, and I love mushrooms. I love these big mushrooms. They're delicious, delicious. And trout we caught in Chattahoochee River. This trout I caught, and these red snapper I caught in farmer's market. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you for watching, and have a great night. Bye-bye.